Hello, welcome to my show. This video is going to be on adding mixed numbers. And sorry, it has no special effects.
Really? I like your special effects. I don't mean to be rude, but math is kind of boring. That's too bad.
Well, sorry about that, but this simple video has examples and other help to get you going. And hopefully, it'll better explain how to solve the problem.
Okay, well, as long as it helps me, I'm good. Let's get started.
So when you're adding mixed numbers, you first have to make sure the fractions have a common denominator. If they do, you add the fractions, add the whole numbers, put them together, make sure they're in simplest form, and you've got the answer. Here we have two mixed numbers, and we're going to add. The 6 and 3 are the whole numbers, and the 5/8 and the 1/8 are the fractions. A mixed number has a whole number and a fraction. It's mixed. Let's see if the fractions have a common denominator. Yes, they both have 8 on the bottom, which means we can start adding. Step 1. Add the fractions. 5/8 plus 1/8 equals 6/8. Step 2. Add the whole numbers. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Step 3. Put the answers together. 9 plus 6/8 equals 9 and 6/8. Is it in simplest form? No, because both the 6 and 8 are even, which means they can be divided by 2. So, 6/8 turns into 3/4. And our new final answer is 9 and 3/4.
So, it's 3 easy steps. But what do we do if the denominators are different? Are there more steps?
No, but we'll have to find common denominators for the fractions before we begin.
Oh, then it's just like adding normal fractions.
Exactly. Check this problem out. As you can see, the fractions do not have common denominators. So let's find one. We need to list the multiples of 3 and 9 and see what they have in common. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, 1 times 9 is 9, 2 times 9 is 18. Oh wait, they have 9 the same. So we can use 9 as a common denominator. Now we need to do whatever we did to the bottom to get 9 to the numerator, the top number. Since we multiplied the 3 by 3, we need to multiply the 1 by 3. And since we multiplied the 9 by 1, we need to multiply the 5 by 1. And now they have common denominators, and we can add. Oh, by the way, did you notice the whole numbers never changed? We just brought them down. Anyway, step 1, add the fractions. Step 2, add the whole numbers. Step 3, put the answers together. Is the answer in simplest form? Well, yes it is, so we're done. Now you know how to add mixed numbers.
But what happens if the fraction create an improper fraction?
Oh yeah, I completely forgot.
Can you show us how to do it?
Yes, I can. Okay, we have to add these mixed numbers. And the fractions already have common denominators, so we can begin. Step 1, add the fractions. Wait a second, something does not look right. Oh, the numerator, the top number, is bigger than the denominator, which means it's an improper fraction, which means it has a whole number, which means we need to divide and change the improper fraction to a mixed number. Let me show you. We have 12 over 8, so we need to ask ourselves how many 8s go into 12. Well, 1 times 8 equals 8, and we have 4 left over, because 8 plus 4 equals 12. Or you can say 12 divided by 8 equals 1, with the remainder 4. So the 1 is a whole number, and the 4 is a fraction, and the mixed number would look like this. But 4 over 8 can be simplified to 1/2. In other words, 12 over 8 equals 1 1/2. Step 2, add the whole numbers. Step 3, put the answers together. And yes, it's in simplest form, so we're finished. Now you added a mixed number that gave you an improper fraction. Let's try one more. The show? Remember, math is everywhere and anywhere, and I'll see you next time.